Hello and welcome to our next video. Today we are going to talk about the tools that you will be using in making phone calls. So number one on the list is Skype. Yeah, so very popular. If you don't know Skype, don't worry. Just go to skype.com and I will show you where you can go to later on. So ang Skype, actually matagal na to, no? Matagal nang ginagamit talaga to ng mga freelancers. Yung Skype kasi para siyang, how do you say that? It's an app or a tool where you can make parang anong tawag doon? FaceTime, ganyan, or WhatsApp, ganyan. Okay. So, if you don't know them as well, yung mga na-mention ko, that's okay as well. So, it's free Skype to Skype call. So, when you install Skype on your phone and you install it also, or somebody has a Skype as well, so you can make calls Skype to Skype. Usually, ginagamit to kapag nasa abroad, yung kausap mo, yeah, that, okay, because Messenger is kind of, you have to have, a contact na dun sa person, 'di ba? Dapat kilala mo siya in order for you to call in a messenger, and it's not very professional too whenever you're making calls. So usually it's really built for businesses or professionals, ganyan. So the good thing about Skype is that it's free Skype to Skype calls. You can purchase Skype credits. Nakakita ba? Sorry, I forgot to click on percent. Yan, okay. So Skype is free when you're using Skype to Skype. So unlimited yan. You can actually also purchase Skype credits to call landlines or cell phones. I'm gonna talk about that in a minute. You can also purchase a Skype number, especially if you will have a US number. Okay, so you can use Skype. Diba? There will be clients that will require you must have a US number, or people can call you, parang ganon, especially with the inbound, or if you are a VA, for example, if you are the virtual assistant of someone in the US, like a big company or a very big boss, na ikaw dapat yung contact person. If you are the contact person of this person, dapat nako-contact ka ng mga nasa US. So how can you do that if you are living in the Philippines? You will have Skype, okay? The Skype number, I'll show you later on how you can get a US number using Skype. You have to also download the Skype app on your computer. I do have my Skype app on my computer. So you can make calls using your computer. Okay. I don't recommend the phone for that, especially if it's longer hours. But it's up to you. You can try as well. Pero yung mga hardcore calls, I would really recommend na nasa harap ka ng computer. Okay? And then, we will check Skype website for the pricing. So, ito na. Let's go to Skype. So, if this is the skype.com. So, type mo lang skype.com and you will be led here. You will be asked to sign up if you don't have a Skype account yet. And then log in if you have already a Skype account. So I do have a Skype account for many years ago. Na hindi ko na to ginagamit actually, to be honest with you. But I do have it. So ganito siya. Ito yung Skype website under Microsoft as well. So this is me. Ayan. Discover more subscription. Ayan. Dito muna tayo sa subscription. So I have 60 minutes left. Okay. There you go. Ayan. So, make international calls around the world. So, if you have a client in the US and you will be making calls in the US, okay lang yan, US and Canada. But if you will also be making calls around the world, you can definitely use Skype for that. So, tabi ko lang yung aking face sa taas. Ayan. So, ito, United States subscription. Look at this one, unlimited minutes, mobile and landline, $2.99 per month. So go ahead and check the links here. So India, okay, North America, 8 destinations. Ano-ano yung mga destinations na yun? You can go definitely check this one. Why you love Skype? Ayan, how does it work? You can also install Skype on your phone naman. Let's say, for example, if you are on the go, like I mentioned, if you are a VA na you have to be contacted by your client or people, syempre hindi ka naman forever naka-login sa computer mo. So if you are on the go, recommended yon. Pero let's say for example, if you will be working 8 hours straight a day, making phone calls, so you have to be on your computer to do that. So ayan, please make sure to see that. Tapos ito yung Skype number. This is where you can get your phone number. Ayan, get a local number and answer incoming calls on any device with your Skype app. So this is a very, very good tool. So if you would like to get a Skype number, so ano yung Skype local? A Skype number is a second phone number which is attached to your Skype account, allowing you to answer incoming calls in your Skype app. Okay. So for example, in the US, you will buy something, tapos yung mga tao sa US, marirecognize nila yung number mo as a real number. Ayan o, parang meron kanya, bibigyan kanya ng assigned number na ibibigay mo sa mga clients. So, for example, let's take this number, 484. So, you can actually put this in your voicemail. So, I'm sorry, I can't take your call right now, blah, 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 blah. Or this is my number. If you wanted your clients to contact you, and you can put this on your website, di ba? Para mas maging, you look professional to them. So, you can click that, caller ID enabled. Ayan. So, meron actually to, depende sa mga state. So, show other local numbers for, I don't know why I'm in Pennsylvania. Show different numbers tayo. So, pwede kang pumili ng number mo. Show different location. Ayan. So, you could be in the United States. So, let's say, for example, you live in New York. Di ba meron sila dong mga, specific area, local number or area number, ayan, so 315. So, pagka tinawagan ka ng isang under ng 315, that's in New York. Ganyan. Parang halimbawa, 0917, Globe yan. Yung mga ganon. Okay? Yan. So, let's say, for example, you want this number na, or, for example, you are in Jordan. 315 din, nag-Jordan. Okay, ito, mas madaling maalala. 277-2099. 7799. Tas dalawang 2. Okay, so just click on continue. Just play around it. Okay? Ayan. So, this is your number now. And then, it could be recurring, it could be annually. 30 na is, look, mura lang to. $40 lang siya every month to get your own phone number. Separate pa to dun sa calling ha, na this is just to get your phone number. It's separate from the calls kanina, na unlimited calls. Ganyan. Okay? So, play around with this one. And then, I actually have a Skype na on my computer. So, ito yung app niya. For those of you who are first-timer with Skype, so you can set a status. You can actually use Skype then when you are connecting with other virtual assistants. Let's say you're a big group or you're a team. You can post updates using Skype. So, this is where you can call. For example, this Randy is my husband. I have him on Skype. So, I said, hi. You can chat with him. Hello. Yan. You can video call him, you can call him like that, and this is your keypad, parang keypad. So, you can definitely call someone here. Okay? 315, ano nga yung kaninang number? 220, whatever. And then, you press this one. Okay? So, that's how you call people in the United States and all over the world using Skype. If you have questions about this, let me know. Otherwise, see you on the next video.